Rampage is kind of its own beast because it's only as difficult as you want it to be.
Put your hands together for Tyler McCaul!
You can go there and find the easier ways, or you can step it up and scare yourself. My first Rampage was in 2010. Had a run that could have slotted me in the top 5.
So many places where this can go wrong. Oh, and he goes down in that huge transfer.
Broke my wrist. 2012, I got 5th, which was awesome.
Suicide no-hander on that step-down jump. Big gap jump there. He's got to go as big as he can. Came back very, very strong, but I don't think it's enough.
Yeah, I've been pretty close throughout the years. 2013, I actually did a second run that would have bumped me up in points.
Yes, an incredible run, and then there's that big dirt-to-dirt feature. Judges love to see that. A lot of amplitude, a lot of flow. Breaking news here in Virgin, Utah. Unfortunately, the elements just have not cooperated with us, and for the safety of the riders, the event has been called.
The way it works for all F&B events is if you start second runs, you must finish second runs with all riders, or you go off of the first run scores.
That ended up not counting, so I walked away with another 5th place there. 2014, I had a broken ankle, I had to watch from the sidelines. 2015, last year, I really wanted to kind of go for the win and had a line that qualified me really well, and I wanted to throw tricks in for finals and was feeling pretty good. Crashed out the night before finals. This year's gonna be pretty exciting. We got a full new venue. That'll be kind of cool. Lots more options and get to be a little more creative, and it's gonna be a good year. I told myself coming into this year I was gonna try to find a smaller, flowy line, but somehow I always find myself building huge landings and big drops. I think that this year, this line kind of pulls a little bit of every line I've had in the past. This big drop here really reminds me of my 2013 one. It looks identical. So it's got a little bit of everything from my 4 years of doing this. Kind of learn a little more and bring something into it every time, and a little bit of new, a little bit of old, a little bit of familiar, a little bit of unfamiliar, but I think it'll be good.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Carson Storch. We're here at Red Bull Rampage. If you like that, click here for more, and be sure to subscribe to Red Bull.